TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 15. You get the Nasdaq up 6. S&Ps are up 3. Gold contract is flat at $1,188 an ounce. You have silver also flat at $16.48. Platinum's down $7 at $1,134. Light sweet crude up 29 cents at $59.70 a barrel. Bonds. 10 years down 9 ticks, 127.17. 30-year is off a full point at 155.06. And both the bonds, folks, the 10 and the 30, I suspect, are going to dictate where this market wants to go. Bottom line, it looks like these bonds want to go south. I suspect once we get over the highs of Friday on the S&P, then you're going to see more weakness come in this market. King Dollar. King Dollar's up 181 ticks, trading out at 98.04. The euro is down 45 at 111, and the yen is up 14, trading at 119.90. Now, if we come over and we take a look at the S&Ps, this is what you have happening. The S&Ps, indices, and the ETF structures, meaning the SPY, the Qs, the diamonds, all went higher on Friday, and they had volume behind the move on the daily. They didn't on the weekly. So what are you going to be looking for? What you're looking for specifically is I'm looking for a number that's over the high, and the high that we're talking about is 2117.66. We've got the 2117.28 thus far in the cash S&P. I expect we're going to get over it. Once you get over it, I expect you're going to fail. Why? Because we've been up at these levels, folks, for 6 months and haven't been able to bust them. On top side, the volume is down the bottom of this. This is a clean setup to get over the highs, close underneath them, and run down the bottom of the consolidation. Now, if you stay over the highs, guess what? It's going to go after the high and go to a higher high. The way this market is set up right now, though, it's set up that the underlying market is weak. If we go to the NDX 100, the 3 Qs can't get out of their way. 3 Qs right now are up 14 cents this morning, 108.83. Volume on the 3 Qs on Friday was anemic also. That was a different ball game. Bottom line, I expect the 3 Qs will be the first one to basically go after the lows of the consolidation it's now in, and that low number is 104.92. If we go over and we take a look at the diamonds, and for the Dow Industrials, diamonds right now are trading at 181.88. That number has to get over the 182.02. All the indices, folks, this morning have missed getting over the high only by the S&P futures were 25/100ths of a point. The SPYs were 1 penny. I suspect they're going to get over them first before they want to go south. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold out here, folks, building cause for higher price. I like what it's doing out here today. You got 5,900 contracts thus far, 59,000 contracts thus far. You're going into the 144,000 contracts. It's a sideways move. It's building strength to get up into the 1224 area. The GLD is still in an ABC structure on the way up. Bonds. Now, the bond market is the thing that you really want to keep your eye on, and this is why. The change of texture and structure inside the bond market is saying, number one, that when bonds go down, market wants to go down. New phenomena. No two ways about that. We have 487,000 contracts out here in the 10-year today. That is building cause to get into the swing low that was established last Thursday. Last Thursday, we have a swing low at 126.13 that has volume. On Friday, we also have a swing low at 127.10 that has volume. So in both cases, you have high volume swing lows. We go over to the King Dollar. We look at King Dollar. King Dollar is building a very large ABC structure on the way down. We're at 95.04. King Dollar wants to run down to this $90 area. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking to you right back here at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.